Everyone loses hair, a matter of how much you lose, and how hair loss affects you as a person. Women can suffer from alopecia, hair loss, that is caused from a hormonal imbalance. As both sexes get older, they can experience a greater hair loss and the thinning of hair. With the help of these two natural ingredients, you will see how your hair grow like crazy. Here's what you need. 2 tablespoons castor oil. 4 tablespoons of fresh onion juice. Small bowl and spoon. Cotton balls and shower cap preparation. 1. To get the onion juice, chop 2 onions into small pieces and extract it into a clean cotton cloth. Mix both the ingredients well in a bowl. Leave the mixture for at least 30 minutes before applying. 2. Apply, using a cotton pad on your scalp. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips. It will help to penetrate the mixture deep down your scalp. 3. Cover your hair with shower cap. 4. Let it rest for 30 minutes. 5. Shampoo your hair twice and rinse thoroughly to remove the smell of the onion. For fast result, do this twice a week. Why this is super effective? Castor oil is suitable for moisturizing hair, promoting hair growth, and preventing hair loss. This natural product is suitable for both men and women to use. Castor oil is a safe and natural alternative to taking expensive prescription medications topically or orally, and which may cause side effects. Castor oil will curb hair loss and promote the growth of hair. It's inexpensive, and can be mixed with a few other ingredients such as onion juice to make a hair tonic. Onion juice stimulates your scalp and improves the circulation of blood, resulting in it follicles that are well nourished. Also easy to use in the comfort of your bathroom. No expensive salon or clinic visits required. Why does castor oil promote hair growth? Castor oil contains natural compounds that promote hair growth. A large percentage of castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid that can penetrate into the pores of the skin and the hair follicles. It provides nourishment, enabling the hair follicles to restore growth. What are you waiting for? Try this simple natural remedies and watch your hair grow like crazy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.